Enzo Mari's designs and philosophy resonate with me kind of like a tuning fork. Just a single note that's consistent and pure. The designs are exactly what they are. They're accessible, and they're made with the intention that anybody can put them together. Strong and balanced and utilitarian, but with a sort of warmth, as though you'd come across them, in a cabin in the woods. So go ahead and sit down and have a rest. Now let's say you've had a small but catastrophic fire in your wood shop that ruined the building and forced you to move into a new shop. Hypothetically, of course. I'm just pulling this story out of the sky. So you get into your new shop and you think, well, I'm going to need somewhere to sit down. Now you could go to a used furniture store and buy a chair for, say, $5 or $10. And that would be a fine decision. It would probably last you the rest of your life, pending future fires, of course. And if we swing to the other end of the spectrum, you could go out and buy yourself a very nice $5,000 or $10,000 chair. Nothing wrong with that either, though probably not suitable for a wood shop. But still, there's a place for it. For me, I knew that I needed to build myself a chair. And I knew that it was going to be Enzo Mari's chair. It's precisely what I wanted. It's a place to sit, a place to rest. And that's all it needs to be right now. And at this moment, that feels really, really good. That's a good chair.